This is Lab 9. In this lab, we will set up and deploy an application using GP. We will also set software restrictions. We will begin by downloading some application. So we'll go to Computer, Local Disk. We will right click, we'll select New Folder. We'll name it MSI. We'll select it, we'll right click, we will share it. We will select everyone, click Add, then click Share, and click Done. Okay, now we will go start CD-ROM. We will select Upgrade, and we will transfer it to the MSI file. Okay, once that is done, we'll close both of those windows. We'll go to our Group Policy Management window. We will expand our domain. We will right click on our domain 01. We will create a GOP in this domain. We will name this GOP Soft Disk 1. We will select OK. Expand Group Policy Objects. We will select Soft Disk 1. We will right click. We will select Edit. We'll go to User Configurations. Then we'll go to Policy. Then we'll go to Software Settings. We will select Software Settings. We will go to Properties. We will select the categories. We will click Add. We will name the category Developmental Tools. Go to Apply. We'll hit OK again. We'll right click Software Installations. We'll hit New. We will select Package. Down here we will type /2050 RWDC 01 / again, and we'll put MSI. We'll select Open. Once you click Netflix, the Deploy Software window will come. We will select Advanced. We'll click OK. Our Microsoft Network Frame 1.1 properties appears. We will select the Deployment tab. We will make sure the Published radio button is selected. We'll hit OK. Our Categories tab. We'll make sure our Developmental Tools selected. We'll move it over to Selected Categories. We'll hit Apply. Hit OK. We'll close both of these windows out now. Okay, once logged onto our second server 2, we'll go to Control Panel. We'll go to Program and Features. And as you can see, we do not see Framework there. We will select Install a Program from the Network. And as you can see, our framework is there. So it is published where we could install it, but it didn't automatically install in our second server. Now we will change. Okay, now back on server 1. Click Start. We go to Administrative Tools, Group Policy Management. Click Edit, Soft Disk 1. With Vendor Policies, Software Settings, we'll go to Software Installation. We'll select our framework, right click. We'll go back to the properties of it. We'll go under deployment. This time we will uncheck published. This time we will check assigned. This will assign it to our user. We will also select install this application at logo. Click apply. Click OK. We will close these windows out. Now on our server 02, we will re-log in. As you can see, during the logon process, it is now installing Microsoft Network Framework 1.1. Once logged in, click Start, go to All Programs. We will go to Administrative Tools. And as you can see, our Net Framework has been installed on server 02. That is because it was assigned to the user, not the computer. Once the user logged in, it automatically installed it to that PC. Okay, now we are going to set software restriction policies. The first policy we're going to set is going to be a path rule. So on server 01, we click Start, go to Administrative Tools, go to Group Policy Management, click Domain, we'll right click, we'll create a GPO in this domain and link it here. We will name this SPR1. Click OK. Group Policy Object, we will select SPR1. We'll right click it, we'll select Edit. We will go to User Configurations, we'll expand Policies. We will go to Windows Settings. We will go to Security Settings. Right click Software Restriction Policy. We will right click. We will select a new software policy. We'll expand it. We'll go down to Additional Rules. These are the two default rules. We will right click the additional rules. We will go down and select a new path rule. We will click Browse. We will select Computer, Disk 5, Program Files, Internet Explorer, then we will select iExplorer. Hit OK. We'll make sure the security level is disallowed. We'll click Apply. We'll click OK. Okay, now we will test this. We've signed on to our server 02. We'll click Start. We'll click Start. Double click Internet Explorer. As you see, an error message applies. This program is blocked by group policy. Now, since this is a path rule, there is a way to go around this. Click OK. Click Start. In the window, type C:. Now, if we will click on our iExplorer, drag it up here, and drop it. We'll close that out. Now we will block it by using a hash rule. Right click, additional rules, select new hash rule. Browse to the same file. As you see, we've got it there. Now go back to our other server. Okay, now let's try our shortcut. As you see, it is blocked. Let's try our Explorer now. As you can see, the program is blocked by group policy. The hash rule makes even the shortcut not work. This is Lab 9.